The Axial red LED side markers that we have here today will be for the 2015 and newer owners who may be looking to freshen up the stalkers a bit, while also adding some bright and stylish LED lighting at the same time. Now the Axials will combine an automotive grade ABS plastic build along with that red polycarbonate lens and a string of high intensity LEDs for right around $100 for the pair. All right guys, so obviously this is the red version from the gang at Axial, which again would make this a great choice for the S550 owners who might be looking to freshen up some cracked or faded stalkers or possibly upgrade a bit, but without going too wild in regards to appearance. Now, if you did prefer more of that modified or maybe blacked out look, well then Axial and MP Concepts do have a number of either black, smoked, or even clear options here on the site that you can certainly check out instead. Now, at first glance, it appears that the Axials don't really look remarkably different from your OE reflector, and I would say that's partially true because, again, yes, you are getting an ABS housing here, topped off with that red polycarbonate lens. And again, that red lens is very factory-like in appearance. But it's what's inside those markers itself that really does, in fact, separate these from your run-of-the-mill stalkers. And that is, again, that full LED operation, essentially the entire width of the marker itself. Now compare that LED strip to the stalkers with their single incandescent bulb, and that tends to result in what I like to call a hot spot. You get a bright spot right in the middle, and the rest of the reflector is kind of dead, for lack of a better word. Now these options, again, very bright, very uniform, the entire width of the marker themselves, and altogether will make a noticeable improvement when compared to your factory markers. Now this is one of those times, guys, I'm going to strongly recommend checking out the customer submitted images and reviews just to get a better sense of what I'm talking about here and to see how they might look on your own S550 at home. Now those LEDs have been fully sealed in that ABS plastic housing, and best of all, do feature a simple plug and play install with no wiring or modification needed, which, by the way, is a great time to segue into the install. And because of the simple job, site's gonna call it a soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, maybe 15 minutes of your time to knock out from start to finish. Now you might wanna grab a flathead screwdriver or a panel removal tool just to help pry out the stalkers. After that, again, everything will be completely plug and play. But now to give you a better idea of what you're in for, here's an AM customer to walk you through the job now.
The only tool you're going to need today, which is optional, is a flathead screwdriver, but all you really need is your fingers. The first step you're going to do is go underneath your car by the rear wheel. You're going to look for this plastic square here, and on the inside of the plastic square, you're going to see the back end of your side marker. There's this little tab here. All you're gonna do is push on it, and the light should just pop out. The next step, all you're gonna do is pull it out towards the front of the car, and then it'll just come out. The third step, you're gonna press at the bottom of the connector here and just pull down. The instructions on the paper that come with this say you're gonna need to take out the bulb from the old one, but you don't need to do that. The fourth step, since we're working on the right side of the vehicle, is we're gonna use the one that says RH and just connect it to the old connector. The fifth and final step is to pry it back in towards the back and then just push in. You'll hear a click when it's connected. Finally, to make sure it's working, all you need to do is unlock your vehicle and the new light should turn on.
So wrapping this one up, guys, if you are a fan of sticking with that factory styled red lens but would like to increase both the appearance and the visibility, well then you might want to consider the Axial LED side markers right here at AmericanMuscle.com.